restock of hat figures. And the hat figures are all 72nd scale, and they've got all different figures in different conflicts. So these particular ones are World War I and World War II. So we've got these ones here. These are Indian World War I Infantry, and we've got World War II British tank riders. Now these are the smaller boxes. They've actually got 3 different size boxes. There's a medium size, which most of them come in, and then there's the larger ones which have more figures. These have still got a lot of figures. That's got 32 figures in it, and that's got 44.
Wow! What? So they're like this big?
Yeah. Well, look. I'll show you these ones. Right? You're being intrigued by that one, aren't you? Let's get in tight, and so we'll get that focused first.
Yes, is it 44 of them in there? Gee.
Yeah.
That's nuts.
All right. So that's hat figures.
Do they all look as miserable as he does?
Well, he's going to war. I mean, you'll look miserable too, I think. So there you go. World War II British tank riders, and there's 44 figures in there. Okay, so if we crack this open, oh, it cracks open on the side.
Oh,
side opening.
Wish I cracked open on the side.
Oh, do you? And that's what you get.
Oh man, they are tiny.
They are tiny. Okay, so if I get
they're all. I did not realise that they were all in different poses. I thought for a minute there were 44 of them all looking like that.
Yeah, well, you get 4 sprue.
Yeah.
Okay, which are identical, but on each sprue you got different poses.
Yeah.
Okay, so if we get in tight, so you see how they're all sitting down. So the idea is you cut them out, and they're designed to sit on a tank.
Yeah.
So they'll probably be on a Firefly. So there's a tank commander. So they've cut off his legs there, so it's easy just to push him in the top of the hatch.
All right.
Yeah, they look pretty good, right? For tiny.
Depends
like my finger right there.
Do people paint those suckers up?
Yeah.
But they're so small.
Yeah, well, I'll paint them up. And then you got another commander who's just got his torso hanging out. How good do they look?
Wow.
And that's all the different poses just from the one sprue.
Yeah.
Which means you got 4, so it's 4 of each figure included.
There you go.
So that's the riders. Now they do German tank riders and American tank riders. And here we've got the World War I Indian Infantry. And this has got 32 figures in it. Probably fit less, right? Because they're a bit bigger because they're standing.
They're standing and they got a bigger hat.
That's right. And so as you can see, again, you got 4 sprue. And it's that sort of vinyl, flexible type stuff. Quite often these are used for wargaming.
Yeah.
Yeah. If they don't wargame, people quite like making massive dioramas out of them. And look at how detailed they are.
Amazing. That's what I'm looking at. The details.
See, even the blade, right? And they use this material because it's really flexible, right? It's not going to break off.
I'm assuming the masters are probably made bigger and then they just scan them and drop them down.
Yeah, probably. And then you got some of the guys here running. Bit of action pose.
This one looks like he's going on the bog. But
which one? This one?
The one here on the end.
That one?
Yeah, I know.
Is that how you do it?
Well, from me.
Do you have a big stick in the toilet or something?
I do. Well, sometimes if you've got a big one, you need to push it down.
Oh, that's terrible.
If you had
too much info there.
Particularly if you've had a curry.
Too much info. So there you go. So there's the figure.
Okay, I've learned it.
There you go.
I
didn't know about this stuff.
No, because I'm not interested in the slightest.
Right.
But now I am a little
32 bit. Figures. So 72nd scale figures, and we've got a heap. There's
I know, we've got a zillion hat things, and I thought, who buys these?
Napoleonics are the most popular.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
From the Napoleon Wars.
Oh!
Yeah, because they had different...
Sir Bonaparte.
That's right.
Yeah.
And there were many countries involved in the conflict, and they all had different uniforms.